roses greet the light, covered softly by the sky. Every color starts to bloom, chasing shadows from the room. Gentle footsteps, quiet air, little moments everywhere. Every flower seems to say, love will always find a way. Take my hand, stay a while. Every garden holds a smile. Princess Grace, rose garden, blooming in the morning light. Every rose is telling stories, soft and bright. Princess Grace, rose garden, peaceful as can be. Every dream keeps growing like the sea. Golden petals start to shine, every blossom perfectly timed. Summer whispers through the trees, carried by a gentle breeze. Every pathway gently bends, leading where the beauty ends. Nothing here is loud or fast, only moments made to last. Close your eyes, breathe it in. Every ending can begin. Princess Grace, rose garden, blooming in the morning light. Every rose is telling stories, soft and bright. Princess Grace, rose garden, peaceful as can be. Every dream keeps growing like the sea. Morning sunlight, golden skies. Every memory never dies. Every flower, every tree paints another melody. Princess Grace, rose garden, shining ever bright. Every blossom keeps on dancing in the light. Princess Grace, rose garden, always in my heart. Every flower tells a story, work of art. Morning roses, summer breeze, Monaco in